At TenPoint Complete, onboarding is not a handoff, it is a structured process designed to fully understand your business and set your program up for long-term success from day one. We begin with a detailed needs assessment. This is where we learn how your business operates, who your customers are, and what success looks like for you. We map workflows, escalation paths, service expectations, and brand tone. This step ensures our team is aligned with your goals before any work begins. Once the strategy is defined, we move into technology integration. Our team connects with your existing systems, tools, and platforms to ensure a seamless operation. This may include CRMs, ticketing systems, call platforms, reporting dashboards, or custom workflows. Everything is tested to make sure data flows correctly and teams are fully trained on the tools they will be using. Before going fully live, we implement a pilot or phased rollout. This allows us to validate processes, test volume assumptions, and fine-tune workflows in a controlled environment. During this phase, we monitor performance closely, gather feedback, and make adjustments as needed. This reduces risk and ensures stability before scaling. Performance benchmarks are established early and tracked consistently. We define clear metrics such as response times, resolution rates, quality standards, and customer satisfaction. These benchmarks give both teams a shared understanding of expectations and provide a foundation for continuous improvement. Throughout onboarding, communication stays constant. Clients are kept informed at every stage with visibility into progress, timelines, and next steps. By the time your program is fully live, you are not starting from zero. You are launching with clarity, structure, and confidence. At TenPoint Complete, onboarding is about building the right foundation so your service operation can scale smoothly and perform consistently over time.